Crypto mining farm is launched in 2014, and this is a leading cloud mining platform that lets you easily earn cryptocurrency without buying and setting up special equipment. You just invest some money with the seasoned team of miners to gain profits. You can buy the hash rate power for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 3 years, and 15 years. They offer free 50 GHz hash power for its new member to withdraw. However, you will need to deposit some cash first. As the site states, you can earn around 90 US cents per day. So, it's a great starting point. Meanwhile, the key crypto mining farm features cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, universal currency. Many time plans to choose from. Different payment options are possible. The minimal withdrawal option is 0.005 BTC. No difficulty increase. No maintenance fees. A good referral system. The service supports 4 different languages to choose from. What makes it unique when comparing to similar cloud-based crypto mining platforms is that it keeps rewarding its members for up to 15 years. We are not joking. Are you in the game? How to start earning via crypto mining farm. Earning money via cloud mining at this resource is easy. But before you begin, please notice that to start cloud mining at crypto mining farm, a little startup capital is still required. So, follow these simple steps. Register an account at farm, fill in some personal data and choose the preferred cryptocurrency and your plan. Pay and begin cloud mining. That's it. Happy mining.